Mars is one of the closest extraterrestrial planets in the solar system, and it is argued that unlike Venus, there is a relatively thin atmosphere and there is a possibility that life can survive in colder environments. The surface of Mars is often called a red planet and is made up of tanned deserts and mountains. Mars also has a distribution of Earth-like substances, and evidence of carbon dioxide and water in the atmosphere has been found, raising the possibility of extraterrestrial life. There is ice in the Arctic region of Mars, and it is speculated that there is a river made up of water that has leaked from underground. In addition, water appears to be stored underground on Mars for a long time, and it is possible that water existing underground on Mars has conditions such as temperature and atmospheric pressure that can create an environment for life inside Mars. Describe Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 139,822 kilometers and an average distance from the Sun of about 70,780 km. Jupiter is the largest planet in diameter and has the highest mass of any planet in the solar system. Jupiter is a gas planet, and the atmosphere is dominated by hydrogen and helium. There are also substances in Jupiter's atmosphere such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Jupiter has the most satellites in the solar system. The most famous of these are Ganymede, Callisto, Europa, Io, etc. Among them, Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system. There is a huge cloud in Jupiter's atmosphere, which determines Jupiter's atmospheric state by showing its fluidity and complex physical phenomena. In Jupiter's atmosphere, it seems that these clouds can cause strong climate change, and materials in the atmosphere can also exist in liquid form due to very high pressure and temperature. Jupiter's atmosphere also creates a powerful magnetic field. The magnetic field blocks external radiation from the solar wind, protecting satellites and the atmosphere around Jupiter. Describe Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 116,460 kilometers and an average distance from the Sun of about 1.435 billion kilometers. Saturn is one of the most beautiful planets in the solar system and is known from photographs taken by large spectrographs or space probes. One of the famous features of the planet is that it has a thin, beautiful ring just above it, made up of large amounts of liquid hydrogen and helium in its large tan atmosphere. There's hydrogen and helium in Saturn's atmosphere, as well as methane, ammonia, and water. Saturn also has a magnetic field, just like Earth, and acts to block external radiation from the solar wind. Saturn has a large number of satellites, the most famous being Titan. Titan is known to be the only celestial body other than Earth where liquid rivers exist. Titan's atmosphere also has similar conditions to Earth, potentially providing an environment for extraterrestrial life. Also, Saturn's environment is very different from the life we know on Earth, so Saturn is one of the targets for space probes to conduct detailed exploration.